Some days, you don't watch the inlet from the dock, you run through it. The Pershing GTX116 is 115 feet of yacht, built for a single answer to that question. Drawn in Italy, built by hand at Mondolfo. This is what happens when the people who build the fastest boats in the Mediterranean stop holding back. The hull rides on 3 water jets. Top speed when you ask for it. Quiet cruise when you want to talk. And 4 feet, 9 inches of draft, shallow enough for the kind of water that turns most yachts away. Drop the platform. The transom opens to the sea. The tender garage swallows a tender and a jet ski. 3 minutes from the salon to the swim deck to the water. Foredeck jacuzzi, set into the teak with lounge cushions either side, soak with the islands in front of you. Cockpit dining at sunset, glass doors slid open to the side decks. Sport bridge above with a second helm and a built-in bar. 5 cabins below for the people you'd actually share a week with. This is not a yacht you study in a brochure. It's a yacht you live on at 8 in the morning, anchored somewhere most 50 meters can't reach. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.